I love making math enjoyable and as easy as possible. My goal with these math videos is to make them short, sweet, and lighthearted. So relax, believe in yourself. Let's go have some fun. So let's take a look at another conjunction. This is my second conjunction. So be sure to go back and check other videos for more conjunctions. This one here is when we have symbols that are facing the same direction. So these are both less than symbols, or less than or equal to symbols. That's not as common, but it becomes more common into the harder math levels that we go. Let me just talk you through how to organize the data and then ultimately get a result. So we're going to create a number line. When we do that, I always have my 0, and then this goes up to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm just going to go ahead and graph these real quick. So let me talk you through that. X is less than or equal to 5. So I find my 5 less than or equal to is going to indicate a closed circle. More ink here, which means we fill in the circle. It's included. It's less than 5. The arrow is pointing to the left. Since the X is in the front, we know that's a safe little math hack we can use. So I'm just going to indicate all the values going towards the negative would be included in that statement. X is less than 0 is my other one. So less than is a hollow circle or an open circle. So I'm going to open that circle. The arrow is pointing to the same direction. And what's kind of confusing here is, well, then how do we represent our answer? Since this is an and statement, that means they have to overlap. So we look at our data and we say, at what point, which number do our arrows start to overlap? And they don't start overlapping until this 0. So I'm actually going to come right over here and I'm going to see which one of these is my answer. And of course, in this case, I have X is less than 0. And that covers the and statement. It covers both. So we know that our final result here is X is less than 0 for this particular conjunction. So hopefully that clears it up just a little bit when they have the same direction and we have to graph them and they overlap each other. How was that? Short, sweet, lighthearted? Hopefully you made a connection with that math video. Hopefully you had a moment where you said, oh, that makes sense. Go check out my other videos and let your friends know too.